Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So have you actually tried potato on your face? Now trying it alongside with other stuff, yeah, not just potato, okay? But in this video I'm actually going to be showing you a two-way in which you're going to accomplish that, okay? And it's actually going to be perfect. So if you want to know all of these things, please continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and let's take you right into this video. Okay guys, so the first ingredient I'm going to be needing for this will be yogurt. Now yogurt is a great remedy that helps to increase your skin elasticity because it contains a lactic acid and it helps to make your skin really tight. It makes your skin glowing and it also leaves your skin looking younger. Okay. Alright, since I don't want too much of the yogurt, I just need 2 tablespoons. So I just have to measure this out, and this is perfect. 2 tablespoons for one go. Okay. And then I'm going to be making use of milk. Milk is a great remedy that makes your skin look super soft. It locks in moisture and maintain a skin complexion, and it's also a great natural remedy that removes fine lines and wrinkles. With the help of other ingredients, it will help to reduce the appearances of open pores, which makes the skin look rough. I'm also going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of milk and then stir that together. Then I'll be making use of baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is it's a powerful exfoliating remedy that helps to rejuvenate the skin. It scrubs out dead skin cells and make the skin look really young. It also helps to retain moisture and it helps to remove dark spots, pimples, and as well as fine lines. So I'm going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, so this is it. It gets foamy and this is perfect. And then I'll be making use of potato. Now there are 2 ways you can actually use potato: the lazy man way and the real way, okay? That contains all of the great benefits. So I'm actually going to be showing you those 2, okay? Now potato is a great remedy that lightens up the skin, removes dark spots and blemishes. It helps to remove large and open pores, and it's also a rejuvenating remedy. Okay guys, so I have 2 slices of this potato and I'm going to be keeping this aside. I'm going to be keeping this aside, and then since it's properly washed, I'm going to be cutting the potato in pieces. And then I'm going to be peeling this one. So after cutting this, then I'll have to blend it. So I'm going to be putting in just a little bit of water to enable it blend. Okay, and I'll go blend it and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is it, and now would have to be putting about 3 tablespoons into this mix. So after that, then would have to give this a good stir, and the foaminess is going to come down really good. Alright, so let's go and apply this. This is the potato slice, and this is all of the goodness in it. Okay guys, so you're going to be adding up a little bit of rose water and glycerin into this. Just a little drop will make this ingredient really great. So I'm going to be dropping just a little, about half teaspoon of that, and give it a good stir. Okay guys, so this is the potato slice, and the first thing you're going to do is to get this potato slice, but before you use it you would have to puncture it for the juice to come out. Okay, now after doing that, then you can use it and rub your skin. This is actually a lazy man style, yeah, but it still works, but it does not work as much as the main deal. Okay, when it dries just like that, you puncture it again for the juice to come out, and then you rub it all over. Okay, so now here comes the real deal. Okay, all of the ingredients are in here plus the potato, and then you're gonna get a brush. Just prepare it this way and get all the full benefits. Okay, and then you'd put in your brush and apply it onto your face. Okay, just like that. Apply it generously, and all of the full benefits are here. Okay, so potato does a lot of stuff. It tightens up your pores and leave your skin looking really supple and young. Okay, okay, so after doing this, then you can use the potato slice and scrub it. Okay, you use the potato slice and then you scrub with the potato slice. This is actually a very mild scrub that does not just harm your skin, because you're basically not using your hands, and this is actually very smooth. Yeah, so you scrub it really well. It's great. Alright, so after you scrub, then you can wash it off after 3 minutes. Yeah, and then after you wash off, your face is going to be looking really soft and really supple. Okay, really soft and glowing. Alright, Oh my god. That is the two way in which you're going to use those potato slice, the lazy man style or the, your ready style. Like the other style is perfect. Is what will give you all of the nutrient, all what the skin needs, to get glowing. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawlessly beautiful, and bye guys.